guys, I'm back. We're gonna do a wonderful lime blueberry cornmeal cake with honey panko and a white chocolate glaze. Hey, I'm Chef Kyle from Kyle's Creations, here to make healthy and simple recipes for everyday living. If you're new here and you love creative cooking, especially desserts, hit that notification bell and subscribe now. So this is a 3-part dessert. All the parts are very easy to make, and this is flexible. You can make it with your kids, have a lot of fun, and you can also serve this as a fancy date night. First things first, we're gonna start with honey panko. We're just simply using half a cup of panko. We're just gonna add honey to it. Toast it on 350 degrees. Get a nice golden color on that. Just make sure that it doesn't burn. Check on it every 3 or 4 minutes. Just toss it around. A little bit more color on that, and then we're gonna add the honey, and then we're gonna pop that back in. So once it has a golden color to it, I'm gonna lower the heat to about 300. I'm gonna add some honey to it, about 2 tablespoons, and we're just gonna toss that around. Finding that there's not enough honey, you can always add a little bit more. Going back in convection oven. Okay, took the honey panko out. Let this cool off. We're gonna start with the dry ingredients. Hey guys, so this is actually one of my signature desserts that I do for a private dining experience. It's very easy to make, and it has a beautiful presentation. So with the dry ingredients, equal parts all-purpose flour with yellow cornmeal. You can also use white. I'm gonna add some baking powder to it. I'm gonna add the sugar as well, and a pinch of salt. And we're just gonna sift that. Mix that together. Now on to the wet ingredients. Some whole milk is going in there. I'm gonna add 1 egg to it. Some vanilla extract. I'm gonna add some lime zest. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the extra lime flavor. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. And then we're just gonna quickly mix that up. A little well in the middle. I'm just gonna stir this till it combines. It smells so good, I could smell the lime zest. Perfect. Now I'm gonna add our coconut oil. Just gonna stir this until it's fully mixed. I'm just gonna pour a little bit since we're making cupcakes, and we're gonna prepare these. Just gonna spray it. I'm gonna keep the blueberries whole, and we're gonna pour in each. And if you have a little bit extra, just look to fill the ones that have a little bit less liquid in there. All right, now I'm gonna take my blueberries, drop a bunch in each. Blueberries are an excellent source of antioxidants, and if you guys want to know more information about the ingredients such as blueberries, click my WebMD links in the description. Okay, now we're gonna bake these for about 10 minutes. Just use a cake tester to make sure that it's fully cooked. So it's actually not gonna take too long in this convection oven. Now we're gonna make the white chocolate glaze, which is actually a ganache. Equal parts chocolate to heavy cream. You can vary the portions depending on how thick you want the consistency. So I have a couple tablespoons of heavy cream, and here I have my white chocolate, and we're just gonna warm that up. Okay, it's hot. Pour it over my chocolate. It's roughly half a bar of white chocolate. Just make sure to mix it around so the white chocolate dissolves. Add a teaspoon of lime juice to that. Perfect, nice consistency. And we're gonna save that aside and dip the cupcakes at the end for the final presentation. Now I'm gonna make some whipped cream. 2/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. Get my whisk attachment, and of course, you guys can whip this by hand. Use a bowl, put it over ice. It whips up really fast. So I'm gonna go in with a teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, once you see it start to thicken, I can add the sugar in. All right guys, look how beautiful these look. I just pulled 1 tray out so I can show you how to plate one up. Okay, 1 perfect cupcake right here. Just gonna dip it in the ganache, swirl it around. Okay, get a little bit of whipped cream. Okay, a little bit of the honey panko right on top. Super delicious. Kids can make this as well. Super simple, and it actually looks very beautiful and elegant. It's beautiful. Can't wait to dig in. Oh look, so moist. Look at the inside. There's the reason why this is one of my favorite desserts. Everything is so beautifully balanced together. Whipped cream is not too sugary. The white chocolate ganache is just like this velvety, creamy topping that ties the cupcake together with the crunchiness from the Panko. It's a full experience dessert. There's crunch, there's creaminess, there's a wonderful lime zest that comes through, and this is simply one of the best desserts I've ever made, and I love making it for my clients, and I'm glad to bring it to you guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can see more of my videos. And the next perfect video I'd like to plug is my key lime pie. So I reinvent this key lime pie, and similar to this where I use blueberries, I'm gonna use blueberries to reinvent that key lime pie. So check it out after this video.